You may have used a lot of AI tools to simply remove the background or even the remove.bg. So as you can see, this is actually the website, and you can see that I have removed the background, but when I try to download it, it's going to simply download it within the 600 megapixel by 408. It's not going to download it in full size. Similarly, you can use the Adobe Photoshop Express, which is online, but sometimes it lags and it also requires internet. Therefore, the alternative solution is to simply use the Windows Photos to go ahead and remove the photos, the background of the images. So in this video, I'm going to just simply go ahead and quickly show you how you can just simply go ahead and remove these 5 images. So as you can see, these 5 images background within the Windows Photos without doing a single thing. Just simply click on edit here at the top right corner, or the shortcut is Control E. Just press that, wait a while, and then just simply click on these icons. So as you can see, it is background. Just once you tapped on that, so as you can see, there are the 3 options that can be used. There is the blur, the remove, and then replace. Just simply click on remove. So as you can see, the background is completely removed, and now you can go ahead and save it just like that. Save as a copy. Okay, and now it is saved. It is as simple as that. Now as you can see, the edges are a little bit rough, but it is a lot better than doing nothing. Okay, this is the first thing that you can do. Now how about this image? Again, you can just simply click on edit, go to again the edit, and now just simply click on remove and click save as a copy. So you get the idea, right? It is a lot simpler than using the online tools that are available. What about this one? Let's go ahead and again click on edit, click on remove. So you can see this is as simple as that. You can just simply go ahead and remove any photos or their backgrounds just like that. Now if you are now this is also going to work within the Windows 10 if you have that. If you cannot see the edit option or the remove option, you can just simply open the Microsoft Store, search for the Photos application, and make sure to update it to the latest version, because all of those features will be included just like that without you have to do or paying a single coin or using any online tools. I hope this video was helpful to you. Have a nice day and goodbye.